everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got to welcome you back because I have been out on a very long hiatus. You probably may not even know who I am. I started a YouTube channel years ago, strictly focused on makeup because I love makeup, all things makeup. I actually do makeup, but took a shift in my channel. COVID hit, not a lot of people were leaving the house, and so that kind of changed how I did things regarding makeup, and I shifted more towards shopping online, lots of shopping online, and my handbags. I've always been into handbags, and so that became the shift in my focus for what I wanted to center my channel around. Now, it won't be centered around just handbags. It'll be all things handbags, makeup, candles, as you can see here, the lovely Jackie Ina's candles for every mood. Shout out to Jackie. Love these candles, and I'll be doing some videos reviewing some of those candles as well because I feel like there may be people out there who want to know about them, thinking about buying them. So I'll be doing some videos on that as well. Just, that's what the channel is about. All things luxury, all things budget, because you're simply to see some Target on here, baby, because I love me some Target. I'm supposed to make one a day. But anyway, without further ado, I'll get into this lovely piece here. Alright, you guys, as you can see, I have the Louis Vuitton Loop Hobo bag here, the one that they recently came out with. I believe it was in September. It came out before then, but it was released in for purchase in the United States, I believe, don't quote me on this, in September of last year. So I just discovered this bag probably not even a month ago. I saw it on several influencers' channels, and one person that I really look at a lot when it comes to Louis Vuitton purchases, I always go to Marquita LV Luxury, and she always has the newest and the hottest bag. So when I looked at her channel, looked at other people's channels, I saw this bag and I was like, yeah, I gotta get that. I had just purchased the Pochette Matisse in reverse monogram. Pause. I'll be right back. Okay, so I had to go get it, y'all. I just purchased this beauty. Just got her back. Oh, and there's a story behind this one. We'll talk about it. But anyway, this is the bag, the Pochette Matisse in reverse monogram. I just purchased this bag, and I was like, ain't no way I'm buying another one. Yep, saw it, and I did, and here it is. But we'll get into this one on another video as well. Leave some comments below if you have some questions about this, the Pochette Matisse that you'd like to hear about, or some things you'd like me to show when I do that video. Leave some comments down below, and I will get to that and share that with you. So, back to this beauty. It is the Louis Vuitton Loop Hobo bag. As you can see, it's got a lot of space in here. It comes with this beautiful hardware here, this handle, this chain handle that just kind of drops there. And it also comes with this brown leather strap here. This, what is this? It's like a peanut butter color leather strap. Love it. Love the hardware on it. And also there's the reverse monogram as well as the leather strap here. I don't know what that's for. Still trying to figure it out. If you know, please tell me. I saw another young lady's channel and she's trying to figure it out too. Please share. I'd like to know what the use is for. But anyway, it's cute. So let's get into the bag. I will do a bit of sharing what's in my bag with you too, so you can kind of see how much can fit in here. So this is how the bag looks when it's full, and it'll also look like this when there's nothing in it. It'll just kind of stand like this, which gives it this moon shape, which I don't really like that much when there's nothing in it. But when you put your things in there, like check it out. There's that slouch. I love it. I usually wear mine with this chain here, and then I may do crossbody with this, but I mainly wear it just like this. So let me open up so you can see. Hopefully you can see inside. It's gonna be hard to do, but all the space that's in that bag, like there's a lot of space in there, a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of pull everything out of the bag so you can see it. Here we go. So I've got my Victorine wallet in reverse monogram. I believe this came out earlier this year. I love, love, love this wallet. Like, it's the best. I'll give you a sneak peek. Look at all that space you get there. I'm not trying to show too much there. And you have slots for your money and everything. So, yep, not going to get into that because that is not what this video is about, but here it is. Comment below if you want me to do a video on that. I've got my 5 ring, 6 ring, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 or 5 ring key holder, Coach. I also got my vitamins there, my C-stack there, my Bose earpods, noise canceling. These are great. Let me know if you want a video on that. These things are the best, I believe, in noise cancellation. I have to keep them. My AirPods, French fry, isn't it cute? Key fob to my husband's truck, my truck, his truck, either one. I've got my cosmetic bag, my Coach cosmetic bag, all my things in there. See how big this is? And it fits in here along with all that other stuff. It just whoop, goes right in there. It fits. I have I forgot to tell y'all, it comes with a cute little pouch. I mean, and it hooks to a D-ring that's in there. There's the pouch, comes with that too. And I use this for my cosmetics, for my lip glosses and lipsticks and stuff like that. Innis lip balm, Innisfree lip balm. Of course, the Dior lip oil. What number is this? I think this is number 1, pink. Gotta have this hand cream so I don't have no ashy knuckles and stuff. Bath and Body Works. And just this little NARS lip balm. It's like in this brown color. I love this color, by the way. I don't know what it is, what color it is, but it came free with one of my purchases from Sephora. And I think that's all I have in there, but there's other stuff I could have fit in here. And this pouch comes with this bag, and it has a little slot to put your cards in, or maybe some change or something in there. So you can do a lot with it, but quite a bit fits in here. So I like to use it for this purpose. And no, I'm not concerned about anything falling out in here or messing it up, messing up the inside. I do not plan on putting any kind of organizer, liners, or anything in this piece because, yep, nope, not concerned. It's a deep brown. It'll never show up if anything wasted in it anyway. Yep, I shed a tear, but I get over it. Also, still going. Got my phone charger here. Let me know if you want the link to this phone charger. It has a lightning charger for an iPhone. I believe it also has a charger for a C port, USB-C. If your phone uses that, and then it's just really cool. It plugs right into the wall. If you want the link to this, I will gladly link it. Just let me know. Also got some mail and stuff and a mask and all that jazz. Yep, work ID. Turn that over, my dress showing. And I think, oh, one more wallet. Got my other wallet here. I forgot. I think this is the Louis wallet. Louis wallet, I think. But I just love that fuchsia color. That color is beautiful. And there's a lot of space in here too. So, I mean, and then you got your zip part where I keep all of my other cards and stuff, healthcare cards and all that good stuff. Lot of space in this baby right here. Got my license right here, so a lot of space. I think that's everything. Yeah, and there you go. You can't really see because it's dark, but that is a lot of space. Look at that, lot of space. So I love this bag. This has easily become one of my favorites. Notice I say one of my favorites because my all-time favorite bag is still, and it's hard to beat, but it is still the my Speedy B30. Oh my gosh. I have it in monogram print. Man, I really, really like that bag. Because I was comparing it when I got this and I was like, oh, do I have a new fave? But I was like, yeah, it's hard to say because I really like that Speedy and all the space. You just throw it on and go. Yes, it does have the leather piece that you have to, think about if it'll get rain spots, but I'm just not big on that. It doesn't matter to me about the rain spots because to me that just adds character to it. It's going to patina very well and it's going to look great. So yeah, I'm not big on all that. But if you are, hey, I get it. Let me put all my stuff back in here so y'all can kind of see it fits quite a bit. Put my work badge back in here too. Put all this stuff back in here. It fits quite a bit. But I think if you get this bag, I think you'll be really pleased with it. It just came out. It's still in stock. And the videos that I was watching, like they were having trouble getting their hands on that bag. Here it is, looking for that. Getting their hands on the bag because it just come out. But by the time, I'm kind of glad I found this bag late, because by the time I saw it, I was able to get it with no problem. I ordered it from the Louis Vuitton website online, the online boutique, and I had no problem getting my hands on it. And I was so glad. Of course, I ordered the expedited, I paid for the expedited shipping because I just don't like to wait on my stuff. I mean, yep, I probably should save some bucks, but nah, by the time you get done paying for this one, another $20 or $30 is not going to hurt at all. Just don't get to go and get my Big Mac or whatever else. Big Mac is not $30, but you get me. You feel me. But that is all. We put all this. Ooh, what do you do? Nasty. Nasty. Okay, yeah. But let me fit that back in here. The zipper, you probably will hear people talking about that zipper. So the zipper, as you can see, it does not glide like the Speedy 30. It does not glide like it. I mean, it's got some kickback to it, whatever you want to call it. It's not bad. It's just not as smooth as the others. So yeah, do this one this way. This one seems to be a little loose. The more I use it, it gets better, but it's still not a smooth glide. It's just not, and it's getting better as I use it, but that is not a deal breaker for me. So I guess you guys will want to see how it looks now when I put it on. So let's see if we can get some mod shots here.